Since 1919, the invention of the first practical electric hair clipper, Wahl Clipper Corporation has been the leader in the professional and home grooming category. We're proud to carry forward the tradition of innovation and superior customer service created by Leo J. Wahl. Headquartering in Sterling, Illinois, we are proud of our heritage of excellence as well as our remarkable list of groundbreaking innovations for the present and future. Well, hi, I'm Roderick Samuels, main stage educator for Wahl Clipper Company. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to be here with me today. I want to ask you a few questions. How many of you are a little unclear on how to properly sanitize and oil your tools to ensure maximum longevity of your tool? In today's video, I want to show you how to properly sanitize, oil, and maintain your tools, as well as how to troubleshoot common challenges when it comes to the performance of your tools. Our goal here is to have a clean, safe, and professional working environment. So let's jump right in. Let's begin with the why, when, and how to clean and sanitize your tools. Sanitizing Wahl tools is very easy, and the directions for your relevant country spray will be on the label. Follow the directions for effective sanitation of Wahl tools. Sanitizing should be done after every use or customer. Please note, you should only use Wahl disinfectant spray with your Wahl tools. Now, there are several highly contagious skin infections that a barber or stylist can transfer from one client to the next if they don't sanitize their tools. These are a few examples. Tinea capitis, which is the medical term for ringworm on the scalp. All forms of tinea are contagious and can be easily transmitted from one person to the next. Herpes simplex. The bacteria causes cold sores. It's also highly contagious. Psychosis vulgaris, otherwise known as barber's itch, is a chronic bacterial infection involving the follicles of the beard and mustache areas or back of the neck. It is transmitted using unsanitary towels or non-sanitized tools and can be worsened by irritation from shaving. And impetigo, commonly known as school sores, is not just a childhood concern. It can be transmitted by using non-sanitized blades. We can see why sanitizing our tools after each use is important to the health of our customers. Let me show you how to sanitize. Let's start with our foil shaver and then clippers and trimmers. Start by taking off the top of the shaver head, then release the individual foil shavers to clean them more efficiently. To clean off the top of the individual cutting bars, take a soft bristle brush. Brush off any hairs on the bars, then brush through the foils, removing any debris or leftover hair. If taken care of correctly, the head of the foil shaver should last up to 6 months if you are not applying too much pressure onto the head and are using it properly. To disinfect, spray your Wahl Clinic Clip disinfectant spray onto the top of the foil shaver and let it sit for 2 minutes. To avoid having to wait to use your tool during the disinfection process, we recommend you purchase an additional foil shaver head to maximize efficiency behind the chair. Clean and sanitize your clipper and trimmer. To clean and sanitize your clipper or trimmer, remove all loose hairs from the unit and blades with a soft bristle brush. Next, spray Wahl Clinic Clip disinfectant spray from a distance on your blades, top to bottom. Let sit for 2 minutes, and then blot off any excess that might remain. Once you've cleaned and sanitized it, it's time to oil your tool. Oiling your blades ensures they stay lubricated, generating less friction and therefore less heat. It will also increase the life of your blades. Proper oiling of the tool helps prevent hair buildup in between the blades. Oiling the clipper or trimmer blades is easy if you follow these 5 steps. 1. Turn on your clipper or trimmer. With the tool tiled down, add 1 drop of oil on each of the end of the blade and 1 in the center of the blade, plus a drop of oil on both sides of the heel of the bottom blade. With the clipper still on, move the taper lever up and down, working the oil through the blade. Turn off your clipper. Blot excess oil with a towel. Please be sure to use a 3-point oil system on your clippers throughout the day. The frequency of this is dependent on the texture and density of the hair on each client. In our quarter clippers, there's a sponge filter that sits on the nose plate and acts as an additional filter between the blades and the motor. This sponge filter collects hair and excess oil to ensure optimal operation of the clipper. It can be replaced when it becomes dirty or starts to disintegrate. Now, storage and cord care is just as important as the maintenance of our tools. For all professional clippers and trimmers, they arrive in a box with one of these red blade guards. The blade guard unfortunately tends to get discarded by our end users who think it's just a part of the packaging, but they do have an important role. In today's video, we've reviewed common skin infections and how to properly sanitize and oil your clippers, trimmers, and finisher. Our goal is to have a clean, safe, and professional working environment. I hope I've given you the confidence to do so now with your tools. For more information, please make sure you join us on our free online education platform to elevate your skills with our cutting-edge educational hub designed exclusively for barbers and hairstylists. Register now at educate.wahlglobal.com. You can also find us on Instagram at WahlPro to stay in the know, and if you want to follow me, you can find me at Teaching Barbers is My Jam on Instagram. Thank you, and be sure to check out our other Wahl videos in this playlist.